Normally, I just want to go facebook.com. Now I go type facebook.com. I don't go. I want go google.com. I don't type google.com. I don't go. I want type ChatGPT or openai.com. I don't type them. It don't open. But if I would use IP address, how many I won't remember for here? Now be the question. Now make it be say they can't do them in such a way say they just make them name, because human being we sabi remember name of things, and so it's much easier for us to locate or to use those names. But behind each name, there's an IP address with tie for back. So when you put your name for the computer or the website or the URL, you know they see your name. Now the IP address you will come convert them to, come use and go find the exact location where you say you won't go. Come go show you for the place. Una try. Now the only thing we go talk. As soon as handwork, una try. Thank you very much. I see all our activities for Facebook, comments for Facebook and the like. It is with me. People they can't talk experiences and so many things around this whole thing what they do. It's with me well. Now so we'll take start today. Thank you very much. Una welcome. Today, the same way I take talking for the previous class, we'll talk about how to, or the process of developing a CMS website online. Make I adjust my shirt well. Now, what we can do today, don't forget, I tell you another time, say, we go carry each stage or each step or each tool, sort of. We'll carry on one, we'll come break them down, make people understand what in each stage mean and how to go around them. So now, what we'll do today, why my neck they come out like this now? But before we start, una know what una will do. Una go like, una share, una go subscribe. Una go turn on all of una notification, una gling, una bell, una notification. Una go turn on so that anytime we content drop like this across all platforms, una feel no say I don't drop something, new. So with that, we could just start. I don't use AI take break them down so that we feel try follow the thing. We could not too confused because nobody say now just deep. You get where we deep which I would just stop and leave enough there. Maybe for another advanced class we'll come the torchlight many ones, but more just see where how deep if you go for this one. So more than not forget like, share, subscribe. I beg listen to talking for English. I don't tell you now before broken. He had. So the first stage what I talk about now domain or domain name. So the first question what they ask now, Wetin be domain name? First of all start, Wetin be domain name? Hard. I always tell people say domain name nine be the land where they build house, where you go build your project on top. Nine be the address to that land gong. But even if you go buy land for real life, nobody go carry coordinates give you. If you carry and use and mark the house for your paper, but when they give you, if na area we don't develop, they'll give you the address, number 23, Real Zone Street, Nigeria. They don't give you. But for the back of that number 23 or whatever, you get what they call longitudinal and latitudinal coordinates. Some more advanced times now we get GPS coordinates. Now what they will give you, now what in the back, where person fee use computer or person will learn them like surveyors. If you use that coordinate, use them look for the exact point where your land they located. Nine be the domain name, nine be the address, gong, where that land they located, where you want to use build project. Nine be the whole thing. How is it important? Look the internet like this, just like the way we did for Nigeria or which any country. Just look at like for the whole world. Now so the internet did. If you want go, for instance, Kano, you go take flight where they come Nigeria. No, so you go take flight where they come Nigeria. When you land Nigeria, you go take flight for. If you land for, let's say Abuja, you go come take local flight from Abuja where they go Kano. Can't go Kano. When you reach Kano, you can't take taxi, Uber, or car. Go the exact house where you they go. Now so it dey too for the internet. When person say I find AAREALZONE.com or realzone.com, it simply means say they go follow this route like this where I just explain for you. Go the exact place where they go. Now so the thing dey. So now just the concept is this. If we move a little bit further now, I will break them down. You get what they call IP address. IP address then be aka longitudinal and latitudinal coordinates. IP address then they be like, for those in networking, they know what they talk about, and those with the IT, some of them feel no idea of what they talk about. 192.168.100.101.100.50. Now that one they call IP address. Now the exact address of your domain or your website, now be that IP address. But because this IP address feel long, it feel complex, so people no feel remember. Normally, I just want to go facebook.com. Now I go type facebook.com. I don't go. I want go google.com. I don't type google.com. I don't go. I want type ChatGPT or openai.com. I don't type them. It don't open. But if I would use IP address, how many I won't remember for here? Now be the question. Now make it be say they can't do them in such a way say they just make them name, because human being we sabi remember name of things, and so it's much easier for us to locate or to use those names. But behind each name, there's an IP address with tie for back. So when you put your name for the computer or the website or the URL, you know they see your name. Now the IP address, it will come convert them to come use and go find the exact location where you say you won't go. Come go show you for the place. Now so the thing be. So now the difference between domain name and IP address. Now the same thing, but one day human being understand one, the other one the computer will understand them. Now be that. Make we go deeper a little bit. You know hard. I just deep it deep.